Introduction. Welcome, charm seekers. Hey there, charm seekers. If you're here, it's because you care about making a great impression and want to enhance your natural charm. First of all, kudos to you for being proactive about self-improvement. Just by watching this video, you're already ahead of the game. Today, we're going to dive into some common habits that might be silently sabotaging your charm, and of course, how you can turn things around. Let's get started. 1. Negative body language. What your body is really saying. Did you know that over 55% of communication is nonverbal? According to Dr. Albert Mehrabian, a pioneer in the field of body language, your gestures, posture, and facial expressions play a crucial role in how others perceive you. Crossing your arms, avoiding eye contact, or slouching can unintentionally send signals that push people away. Instead, adopt an open posture, maintain friendly eye contact, and use gestures to show enthusiasm. These small changes can make a big difference in how others see you. 2. Lack of active listening. Are you really paying attention? One of the most charming traits a person can have is the ability to listen attentively. Studies by Dr. Carl Rogers, a renowned psychologist, emphasize the power of active listening in building trust and rapport. If you find yourself interrupting, planning your response while others are speaking, or not fully engaging in conversations, it's time to shift your focus. Practice active listening by nodding, making affirming sounds, and summarizing what the other person has said. This shows that you value their input and strengthens your connections. 3. Overusing self-deprecation. When humility backfires, humility can be endearing, but too much self-deprecation can actually harm your charm. According to research by Dr. Susan Krauss-Whitborn, a professor of psychology, excessive self-criticism can make you appear insecure rather than modest. Instead of putting yourself down, try to strike a balance. Acknowledge your flaws in a light-hearted way without making them the focus. Confidence is key to charm, so embrace your strengths and let them shine. 4. Being distracted by technology. Is your phone sabotaging your relationships? In today's digital age, it's easy to let technology take over, but this can seriously damage your charm. Psychologist Sherry Tuckle, author of Reclaiming Conversation, argues that constant phone use during conversations can make others feel unimportant. If you're frequently checking your phone, you might be sending the message that you're not fully present. Make a habit of putting your phone away when interacting with others. This small gesture shows respect and makes you more likable. 5. Speaking negatively. The impact of your words on your charm. The words you choose can either elevate or destroy your charm. According to Tony Robbins, a motivational speaker and self-help guru, the language we use shapes our reality. Constantly complaining, gossiping, or speaking negatively can drain the energy of those around you and make you less appealing. To boost your charm, focus on speaking positively and encouraging others. This shift in language can attract more positivity into your life and make you a magnet for great relationships. 6. Lack of empathy. Understanding the power of compassion. Empathy is a cornerstone of charm. Dr. Brené Brown, a research professor and author, highlights the importance of empathy in forming deep connections. If you're not putting yourself in others' shoes, you might come across as cold or indifferent. Practice empathy by actively trying to understand others' feelings and perspectives. This habit will make you more relatable and, in turn, more charming. Conclusion. Your charm is in your hands. Before we wrap up, I want to remind you just how amazing you are for taking the time to improve yourself. Charm isn't something you're born with, it's something you can cultivate with the right habits. By making small adjustments, you can enhance your natural charm and build stronger, more meaningful connections. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tips on living your best life. Keep shining bright, charm seeker, you've got this.